Okay, this paper is covered with a piece of plastic, so I can just add the chemicals into the little boxes and just do it right on top of the paper. So in that row, we needed some iron 3 chloride, and in this row, we need sodium hydroxide. Now we'll do the columns. In the first column, we need to add silver nitrate. And in the next column, we need to add potassium carbonate. And the nice thing about having the plastic sheet is you can compare these with a white background, but also with a black background to get a little bit different perspective on them.